The straight arm plank with single arm cable rear delt raise is an advanced shoulder and abs exercise combination targeting the rear deltoids and core while also challenging balance. All you need for this exercise is a cable machine, a rope handle attachment, and an optional step or yoga block. Using the step or yoga block provides a small elevation which allows for more range of motion as you lower the weight to the floor. To get started, set the pulley to a low position. Attach a rope handle to the cable machine, then pull the rope through so it's extended in one straight line. Get down on the floor on your hands and knees to the side of the cable machine, then reach across and under your body to grip one end of the rope handle with your outside hand with an overhand grip. Move out a little bit from the cable machine to ensure you are far enough away so the weight is taut and there is tension throughout the full range of motion. If the weight plates drop and touch the stack at the bottom of the movement, you're too close to the cable machine. To ensure you do not lose tension at the bottom of the move, the weight plate should still be up off the weight stack at the bottom of the range of motion. Place a yoga block or step in front of the outside arm holding the rope attachment, then prop the arm closest to the cable machine on top of the yoga block or step. While holding the rope handle with your outside hand, contract your core for balance, then press your inside hand into the yoga block to get into a straight arm plank position with your wrist directly below your shoulders. Turn on your glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, and core to keep your body tight. Once your body is locked down, complete a rear delt raise by pulling your shoulder blades back to raise your outside arm straight out to the side as if you're trying to touch the wall until your arm is parallel to the ground. Under control, lower your arm down and under your body, keeping the tension on the shoulder the entire time. You should feel your core firing while blasting your rear deltoids with tension. Ensure you maintain a straight alignment with your body from your head down to your feet during the movement. Your back should not be swaying up and down during the lift. If you were to place a glass of water on your back, it should stay in place and not spill during the raising and lowering of the weight. Complete all the reps on one side, then switch arms and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.